In this video, I'm going to share with you how you could turn this recession into a monthly recurring income. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, depending when you're watching this video, there is a high chance that we are currently in a recession. There are people losing their jobs left and right. Inflation is ridiculous right now. Everything is costing a lot of money and people are just like frustrated, right? People are currently looking for ways to save money as well as make more money. And because you're watching this video, you're going to have the opportunity to do both. So how can you put yourself in the position to start saving money and start getting cash back whenever you shop and start bringing in more money? And that's by becoming a Nexus Rewards premium member. Because when you join Nexus Rewards as a premium member, you're going to get access to a whole bunch of apps, right? That actually gives you cash back pretty much every time you shop on and offline. You're going to get access to apps that will give you discounts whenever you go out to eat, whenever you decide to take a vacation. Pretty much whenever you do anything, you won't have to pay what everybody else is paying. You're going to pay less. But as a Nexus Rewards member, you're also going to get access to something that is helping a lot of people and that will help a lot of people out. You're going to get access to a bill reduction service. They just added this feature to Nexus Rewards. So this is where a company will go in and take a look at your current bills and see what you're paying, and they're going to get you the absolute lowest monthly cost for your bills. I'm talking about your phone bill, your electric bill, your gas bill, even your cable bill. This company is going to make sure that you are paying the absolute lowest price possible. So pretty much once you become a Nexus Rewards premium member, everything that you have to pay for in your life should be at its very, very lowest amount. So now you're probably thinking, that sounds all nice and sweet and that's great, but how much does it cost, bruh, to become a premium member? Now you might be thinking, oh man, this might be $149 a month. This might be $99 a month. It might even be $49 a month to become a premium member, right? No, you get access to everything I just said. You can have access to everything I said for $22 a month. That's right, $22 a month. That's pretty much $5.50 a week to be able to save pretty much thousands of dollars a year on your expenses, plus get cash back whenever you do some online or offline shopping. But here's the thing. Here's why Nexus Rewards is just a no-brainer to jump on. Because not only will you get all them savings and blah, blah, blah as a premium member, you will actually be able to grow your own Nexus Rewards business where you can earn a monthly recurring income, right? So you're probably thinking, well, how do I do that, Earl? How? I'm going to tell you right now. Every person that you introduce to Nexus Rewards and expose them to these savings and discounts and bill reduction, for every person that you get that decides to become a premium member and only pay $22 a month, right? You're going to get $10 out of that 22 every month. Think about that. You're going to get $10 a month, right? On top of all the savings that you're going to get as a premium member. Then you turn around and you're going to get recurring income from people that you bring in. That is how you beat the recession. That is how you turn the recession into a residual income. So if you're watching this video right now and you're not a member of Nexus Rewards, jump on. Why? Because this is a win-win opportunity. Because if you jump in, right, and you just become a premium member and all you want to do is get savings, all you want to do is get cash back when you shop and get your bills reduced, right? It's well worth $22 a month. But If you want to do that, plus bring in a recurring monthly income, right? And you got that marketer in you, right? And you ready to promote a little bit and share this opportunity, you can earn a nice income by doing that. So just think, if you bring in, 50 people, right? That's $500 you're going to get every month. Because the beauty about Nexus Rewards and this opportunity is, why would people quit after they sign up? Think about that. If you're getting access to these discount apps and everything, when you bring people in, they're most likely going to stick with Nexus Rewards for a very, very long time, which will create a pretty solid passive income for you. So yeah, I'm excited about Nexus Rewards. I'm excited if you're watching this video and you're like, wow, I'm glad I watched this, because now I'm about to start saving money and making money. You're welcome. All you need to do right now to get started with Nexus Rewards, click the link in the description, sign up, become a premium member. Once you do, I will personally reach out to you and help you get everything set up and help you start growing your Nexus Rewards business and building a recurring monthly income, because the world is in a recession, but we don't have to be in one. Let's go.